Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to fix the something went wrong error in YouTube Studio. Many creators are facing this issue while opening the app, checking analytics, uploading videos, or switching accounts. Let's understand the main reason behind this problem. Reason number one, weak or unstable internet connection. If your internet speed is slow or unstable, YouTube Studio may fail to load the data from the server and show this error. Reason second could be when you use the app regularly, it stores temporary data, and if these cache files become corrupted, the app may stop working properly. Reason 3, outdated app version. If you are using an old version of YouTube Studio, it may not be compatible with the latest YouTube updates. And reason 4 can be that sometimes the problem is not from your side. If YouTube servers are down or under maintenance, this error may appear. So now let's fix the problem step by step. Firstly, open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for YT Studio. And update it if not. And after this, go back to the home page. Now open the settings app, scroll down and click on the apps option. Now click on YT Studio, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Now go back to the previous page and click on force stop, and after this your problem will be resolved. And if still your problem is not resolved, then open the YT Studio app. Now at the top right corner, tap on the profile icon, click on the send feedback option, and here describe your problem and wait for few hours, and yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.